Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to give you guys one strategy on how to get your story posted on a bunch of news articles. Here's a bunch of news articles that I've made on. As you can see, quite a bit. It's pretty good exposure. It solidifies your skill as well. It's pretty dope. So what I did to get my articles was a lot of people just reached out to me just because of my YouTube brand, and they saw that and they went ahead and reached out to me with the article. So that's one strategy, like growing a YouTube brand and presence so that news writers would reach out to you and want you to share your knowledge. That's probably one of the main and easiest strategies to use. But if you're more low-key and you don't have a YouTube channel, here's a strategy that I'm going to show you on this video where you can go ahead and reach out to all these writers, pitch them your story, and hopefully, one in say 50 authors you email get back to you. That's the goal. And from here, you're going to type things such as, say, entrepreneur. You can go to news. And then you're going to open up all these tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, these are all just like 14 hours ago. There are tons, and this is just for one key term, entrepreneur. You need to find articles there. So for example, this author, Thomas Smell, we need to help me find his email. So let's search up Thomas. So we got his Twitter, LinkedIn, founder of FE International. So that's that. So let's see if we could find his email. Thomas Mel, maybe email. Goes Twitter. Website. And maybe this. So I'm opening up everything. So you just want to just open everything until you can find an email or how to reach out to them. FE online. Alright, and then now I guess this is his website. So now let's try go contact. Nope. And if you can't, then you can just give up and you get to the next article. Next one, written by Pooja Singh. No emails here. Maybe I'll open up this one. Maybe go open up her Facebook. Maybe go to her profile. Here, she has a mail here. Perfect. I found a mail. Alright, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and put together that email that I'm going to blast to all of the emails I collected of the authors. So you always want to write something in terms of what I can do to benefit them. Awesome. That is the article. Now I'm going to go ahead and blast it. Alright, so I'm on my 4th draft of pitch emails, and I'm going to go ahead and send another, say, 40 emails out using an application I'm going to show you. But yeah, each email I'm getting better and better. add-ons, yet another mail merge, start mail merge. Awesome app, by the way. It's like MailChimp, but it's really helpful when it comes to situations like this. Open your doors to another motivating story. I'm gonna make it delayed. So tomorrow I'm gonna make it 2 a.m. Sydney time, so they'll get it at 9 a.m. American time. Awesome. So it's all scheduled now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the info so far. What I'm going to show you next is a list of all the emails I was able to collect. I was able to collect a few hundred, and obviously I didn't go ahead and do this myself. What I did was I hired a VA to go ahead and scrape these emails for me. So that's definitely something you can do personally as well. But if you're looking for someone to guide you step by step, one-on-one through things like this, definitely sign up for my mentorship application linked in the description below. But check out all these emails. Yeah, let's check out all the emails that have been collected from pretty good and big sites, so I'm happy. So I hope you guys like that tutorial. I gave you literally everything. This is something practical, and this is something you go ahead and apply right now. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions whatsoever, put it in the comments below, slide into my DMs, leave a like if you found value. Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.